Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ham quesadillas. First, gather your ingredients: tortillas, ham, cheese, and butter. Dice about 4 ounces of ham into small, even pieces. Shred 1 cup of your favorite cheese, such as Monterey Jack or cheddar. This simple preparation ensures everything is ready for quick assembly and cooking, making your quesadilla process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's assemble your quesadilla. Lightly butter one side of a large flour tortilla. Place the tortilla, butter side down, in a warm pan over medium heat. Sprinkle about half a cup of cheese evenly over 1/2 of the tortilla. Then, add a generous layer of your diced ham over the cheese. This layering creates a delicious, melty center. Next, fold the empty half of the tortilla over the ham and cheese filling. Press down gently with a spatula. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until the bottom is a beautiful golden brown. Carefully flip the quesadilla and cook for another 2 minutes on the other side. You want both sides golden and the cheese perfectly melted for that gooey texture. Once cooked, remove your golden brown ham quesadilla from the pan and let it rest for just a moment. Then, cut it into 2 or 3 wedges for easy serving. Serve immediately with your favorite toppings like salsa or sour cream. This quick and satisfying meal is perfect for any time. Be sure to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.